Hi, we wanted to create a quick video to guide you through using our home search tool. This is part 4, how to create an account and use the social search. Our simple and fast search interface allows you to browse homes based on features that are important to you. So to get started, we're on the schenkteam.com/search-properties. You can find us by searching for the Schenck team on any of the top web platforms or on your favorite social media platform as well. So to get started, you'll notice a couple options at the top of the page: dashboard, listings, searches, and the user profile. We'll come back to those in a moment. When you're looking at a listing, you'll see some options towards the bottom. The first is save this listing. If you click on that, it puts a star on that particular listing. Now, as you scroll through all of the different options or listings, you can click your favorites, and it makes it really easy to return and view these later. Second option is add your reaction. So just to simply remind yourself what your thoughts were, or if you're working on this search with somebody else, this allows them to leave their reaction as well, and we'll come back to that in a moment here. You can leave a comment. You can make the comments private so you and your invited search party can see, or you can make it visible to your agent if you'd like them to respond. You can share this listing on Facebook or Twitter, or if you'd like to contact the agent, which is the Schenck team, or hide this listing. Now, if you accidentally hide a listing, you can undo that. And then if you'd like, you can go back to the listing by clicking the Back to Listing button. So if we scroll back up, under Dashboard, you'll notice any listings that you viewed, saved, left comments on, or reacted to. And you can kind of scroll down and see a snapshot of those different properties there. Now, under listings, you can see a list of those specific properties, which gives you an easier view for browsing there. And then under searches, if you have certain search parameters saved, you would see those listed here. So for example, we'll go back to the main page here. Let's say we're looking for homes between 350,000 to 450,000, 3 bedrooms and up, 2 bathrooms and up, single family, condo, and townhouse. We can subscribe to this search. It shows all of the parameters here. It shows there's 959 results, which is quite a few. We'd probably want to add additional parameters to reduce that number, but we can name the search, and it will email us instantly when any of these or any new properties are listed that meet that criteria. So we click subscribe to instant updates. It asks for a name, so we'll say and now that search is saved. So we go back to searches and we can see my homes with those parameters that we created. We can also click the X here to delete that, or we can change how frequently we're notified, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or never. We can also share this URL with somebody if we'd like. So the last tab is My Account. It's the little person in the top right-hand corner here. When you click on that, it shows your personal information, name, email address, linked accounts. For example, if you logged in with your Facebook profile or Google+, you can change your password here. And at the bottom, you'll see Search Party. So if you'd like, you can add a friend, significant other, potential roommate, anybody that you're interested in bringing on this adventure with you. You'd click Invite a Friend to your search party down at the bottom, type in their email address, and click Send Invitation. Once they create a profile, they can join you on this search. And for example, let's say you're looking at a property and you left a comment or a reaction. For example, I said, does it have a pool? They would see that on their end. And if you scroll down under recent activity, you have this timeline of when each person viewed it, when they left a comment or made a reaction. And so it just makes it so much easier instead of, sending text messages with links or, an email with a link back and forth and wondering if they received it or looked at it. This just gives you a great way to, have a dialogue and it makes it more exciting. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to view our upcoming featured properties and behind-the-scenes access to our adventures as a family real estate team here in Arizona. Thanks again.